Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unboxing for you. Now, I have no idea which canvas this is because it came in a little box. But isn't the box cute? Look at it, y'all. It's got a diamond. It's just got some little different colors. It's DIY diamond painting. It's got some notes on here. It's got your step-by-step directions. Whatever that is. Nothing on the ends except for their, whatever that's called. I just went blank. So, anyway, real quick, just want to get this out of the way, but I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, all of my new subscribers, and I appreciate every one of you, especially when you're commenting, because I feel like I'm actually getting some one-on-one with y'all, and it just makes my heart happy. And thank you to everyone who has showed me some love on my Etsy shop, Just Minder Business, where I sell cover minders. I appreciate it. And let's get into this unboxing. Like I said, I have no clue which one this is because I've ordered tons of them, as y'all know. But I have no clue what this is. All right, that's all that's in the box. And let's see. The canvas on it is a little rough feeling, but it is poured glue, so I am going to go backwards on it. Oh, I see what it is. Okay. This is so cute, y'all. Okay. This is what it is. Now, I tried to order this once before, and it was out of stock, and it finally came back, and so I grabbed it. But this is another one for my grandgirls. My grandbabies love, love, love unicorns. So I have gotten them quite a few unicorns now. So, and now this will, well, I got that. That is like really sticky. So while I'm doing this, I'm just going to try to flatten it out just a little bit more, maybe. But it'll flatten. Alright, so let's look at the toolkit real quick. Alright, so it's just your average toolkit with the green boat, a larger piece of wax. You get a single placer pink pen, and it looks like it's got a 2-placer on there, or a 3-placer maybe, and then a little bit of baggies. So just your regular toolkit, but that's all you need to do this kit. All right, so let's look. Sorry about the noise, but it can't be helped. Alright, now, there is a color code on the bottom left with a thumbnail, and then also another thumbnail and a color key on the top right, if y'all can see that. And it is DMC charted, and it is lots of symbols and a few letters, but mostly symbols. All right, and it does have the DMC number on the bags of drills, and it also has the kit number. Yep. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Well, let's hope this is what it is. So, all right. Okay, we got two strands. All right. Now the colors on this is really pretty, and I have had canvases with this white strip and the lettering, if y'all can see that, how it like crisscrosses. I've had these kind of drills before, and they're not bad. I've really not had any problems with any Amazon kit that I have ever purchased. And you're always going to find a few trash drills in any canvas that you buy. And honestly, I have probably found more trash drills in the more expensive kits than I have in these little budget kits. Just to be honest. But aren't these colors pretty? They're just absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to do these for the grand girls. I have 3 granddaughters. And they're all under 7. 7 and under. So, they love unicorns. Alright, I'm going to bring you down a little bit. And we'll look at the drill field. And I'm not seeing anything weird. I don't see anything. I tell you what the weirdest part of this is this not even having color on it. It's just black and white. Because normally it'll be the color, the symbols or whatever are usually the colors of the canvas, you know, whatever it's supposed to be, but they're black and white. So to me, that's weird. But it's not gonna mess me up or anything from the canvas itself. But look at them colors. Oh my goodness. This one's gonna be fun. Yep. Look at that. It is going to be so pretty. And again, that is what it will look like when completed. And I know the ones who buy diamond paintings on Amazon, I know y'all have seen this. Have anybody done this one? Is anybody else into unicorns? Do y'all get, you know, anybody that has kids or grandbabies, do y'all get kits to do for them too? Or is that just me? I doubt it. So, okay, y'all. This was another one. Did I tell y'all what I gave for it? No, I didn't. 30 by 40 round poured glue. I gave $4.89 for this. That's it. $4.89. But yeah, I think it's going to be really pretty. Really pretty once it's done. And look, you could even take and maybe, you know, add some ABs in here. If you've got some ABs of the same color, maybe put some ABs in the eyes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is going to be cute. So cute. Shoot. My granddaughters, they're going to love this. You know, the hardest part of doing these kits for them, especially the square ones, is actually finding frames. Just cheap frames. Because I don't want to sound ugly, but like I said, my granddaughters are 7 and younger. So I don't want to go and get a $20 picture frame to put these little kits in. So I know I can buy them by the case from Dollar Tree. But it's just a fact of, y'all, I used to work for Dollar Tree. So I know how that stuff is packed. And we never got any picture frames off the truck that half of them weren't broke in the box. And that's the one thing that I'm afraid of if I was to buy them from Dollar Tree Direct, is getting them, because you can have them delivered to the store and it doesn't cost you anything. Or you can have them shipped to your house, but they do charge you a shipping fee. And still, it doesn't matter. If you open them up, they're picture frames. If they're broke, you got to go through the process of trying to take them back and get them exchanged or whatever. Because they don't give the money back at Dollar Tree. Or they didn't used to when I worked there. So, anyway, that's my biggest hang up on trying to frame these things for my granddaughters, is just finding some picture frames that if they break them, hopefully they'll get them and, their mama put them up on the wall. But it's the fact of they want to touch it and see it and, ooh and ah over it. And I don't want them breaking it and, getting cuts. So I don't know. So anyway, I'm just rambling. So what do y'all think about this one? Leave me a comment and let me know. And until my next video, I hope everybody has a great day. And I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.